Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to share a tweet on Instagram stories on iPhone. So let's get started. First, make sure that you have Instagram app installed on your device and you have already logged into your account. Now open Twitter app. Tap the share icon on the public tweet. Note that protected tweet cannot be shared. From the available options, tap the Instagram icon. Your Twitter app will close and a new story draft on your Instagram app will open. The tweet that you want to share will appear as a movable and resizable sticker to share on Instagram stories. You can even add stickers, text, or filters as per your needs. Once done, you can share the tweet with a single person, a group, or all of your followers. So that was a short tutorial on how to share a tweet on Instagram stories on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.